let's go film a video.
Gotta be sanitary.
Ooh. You know what that is?
Boys, it snowed, but she's still looking fresh. Now, that's gonna help us address this gap.
I'm hyped. I'm so hyped. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to my brother's house. He is 11 or 12 years old. I don't actually know. Just kidding. He's 11 years old. We're gonna go give him a rip in the GTI with a new tune on it. So, yeah, I think that's it. Let's go.
Springs finally showed up.
The lowering springs, I'll put this in today's video, but I'm going to install them tomorrow. So that'll be in tomorrow's video of me installing them. But they're here, bro.
'Tis the season for the dirty windshield and the awful weather. Good for that, that cold weather is good for that spoolie boy up there, though, I'll tell you what. Ooh, she likes to eat that up and spit it right out.
All right, so we're headed to my mom's now, and we'll pick up my brother, and we'll go for a little rip, see what he thinks of the new tune. He hasn't ridden in it with the new tune and a couple other little things. Then we'll unbox the lowering springs because I want to see them. Even though it's boring and obviously I know what they look like, I want to unbox them. All right.
And just like that, my car's demolished.
We're here, boys. Where my family resides.
Hi, boys. Hi, boys.
What's up, yo?
Not much. Mom's
Why does it come with an American flag?
What do you think?
They're cool.
That's all we got time for today.
Why do you guys have so much snow here? Why is there so much snow here?
We're on top of a mountain, probably.
You right. You ready to do this?
You left the cardboard in the house.
Alrighty, we're gonna go for a drive here. Are you ready?
I am definitely ready.
This is my brother Cole. He'll be riding with us today.
You haven't ridden with me since I got the retune, right?
Mm-mm.
Sick. It's not like crazier. It's kind of the same. It's just like the pops are a little louder and
Even more louder than they were.
yeah, the pops are a little bit louder and it's a little bit faster.
I feel like I should be scared.
Nah. Ew, I did that with the Audi a couple of times.
You told me.
Because it had bald ass tires on it. That was actually what would look kind of cool on this.
Yeah.
Get a little sauce.
I would just love you to know everyone is gonna hate you on this road forever.
I know. I feel like they already do.
That turbo sounds good.
Doesn't it? It sounds so sick.
Oh my god.
I said in one of my other videos, it literally just sounds like a little MP5. It's like
It does. Oh my god. Shorty's a little bad thing. She's my little boo thing. Ah!
we hit a tunnel. Can't wait till we put the lowering springs in. It's just gonna feel like such a race car. I turn here, I turn there. Here's my little boo thing. Oh! Just doing everything really aggressively. What's up, bitches?
Let's go. She did not look impressed.
Eardrums rip.
I'm calling the police.
Whoa, suicide crow, get out of the road. God. Is that a tunnel I see?
Oh my god! Besides Kmart, I see. Oh yeah, I forgot there is no Kmart.
Gah! Every sip hits just a little bit different.
Oh, there is a tunnel coming up, isn't there?
She's upset.
Oh my god! Roll down all the windows.
Yeah!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Exactly.
Ah! Yeah!
Every sip hits different.
My coffee bros know that first sip be hitting them just a little bit different. Gah! Hey, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more.
There's no reason not to.
I mean, it takes 1 second. It's right here at the bottom of the screen. It's gonna be on that side. It's right here on the bottom of the screen.
Like the video.
Mr. Ashline, let's just.
Oh yeah, gotta be sanitary.
Ooh! What? That was not on purpose. A little scrub. No, let me put her there. It's been a pleasure. That literally went all over my face, bro. Just kidding. Take 2. Action. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. Keep your eyes open because tomorrow I'll be posting the lowering springs. We'll be putting those in tomorrow, and we'll head over to my dad's and get those all put in. So it should be pretty sick. I'm hyped about that. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.